Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest and pretty heavy mirror work party wear saree collection. So please watch the video till the end. Friends, these kind of heavy mirror work sarees are comes with different range of colors like yellow, green, red, blue, maroon, purple, white, pink, black, lavender, gray, and violet. Friends, these kind of heavy mirrorwork saree comes with different range of patterns and design. If you wear this kind of saree, you look so glamorous and beautiful. Friends, this kind of heavy mirrorwork saree perfect suitable for all kind of occasion like wedding, engagement, get together, birthday party, function, festival, get together, family gathering, evening wear, night parties, daily wear, office wear, farewell wear, party wear, and all other simple and special event. Friends, these kind of heavy mirrorwork sarees are perfect suitable for all age group women, especially younger age group women, college going girl, and teenage girl. Friends, these kind of heavy mirrorwork sarees are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want buy this saree collection in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.